If Edward Snowden asks you for your password, for heaven's sake, please don't give it to him, okay? That's what a lot of people at NSA have learned the hard way. A source close to the ongoing criminal investigation of the NSA whistleblower told Reuters that the former systems administrator persuaded as many as 20 to 25 NSA workers to handing over their logins and their passwords. Now, if you think it would take a lot to get information out of somebody who works for the NSA, it actually didn't. He just kind of walked up to them and said, "Give me your password. I need it for the job." And they kind of just said, "Okay." Arthur,
yeah.
They work at NSA. Shouldn't they have considered that maybe they shouldn't just hand their password over?
And the password was ASDF 1234. I think it's pretty clever by Ed Snowden. He's this little tech guy, and he's got his glasses on. He says, "Hey, I just need your password, doing a little tech upgrade here." And people are just like, "Oh, okay, sure." But
Wow.
no, that is foolish. I would never give my password to anyone in this office. Even you. I got to keep that to myself.
Really? Because Zach Carter's been trolling for the last week. He keeps going around the office asking everybody for passwords. I'm not sure what he wants. I think he just wants to put weird pictures up on my Facebook, though.
I'm sure I know what Zach's password is. I'm sure it's farts with a Z. But anyway... clever by Ed Snowden, very foolish. You're in a spy agency. Don't share your password with people. And apparently, there will be legislation. They're going to give them $100 million or something like that, so that they have software to detect unauthorized downloads. But if he had the password, wouldn't it look to the computers like it wasn't an unauthorized download? It's just kind of a flabbergasting human error that I don't see how you could really fix with technology.